So now I think you can create a circle so you can see how you can shape forms here. It's a lot of ways that how we can do this, but I think we can keep it simple. So let's create a file. We can circle shape. We can call this circle shape. This, okay. And once again, let's add this one. So here we can just create a composable function, and let's call this circle shape. So like I told you before, there is a lot of ways that how we can do this. Let's annotate with this preview so we can see what are we doing. So this is what we have now, nothing. So how can we create this shape here? Um, so as I mentioned before, there is a lot of ways that how you can do this, but let's just create a card here. Let's make it simple, and we can, let's say, let's put a text here so you can see something. Let's make a tab one here. So let's wait for this. So this is what we have now. We have this card with this tab here. Like I told you before, we have this modifier one. So let's just specify this one. And let's break this. And we have the modifier so you can make some modification. Here they suggest for me the padding 16. I was about to put 10. Let's import this one. And under compose UI. And let's import padding 2. So you can see that now we have a padding at 16, and that's not a circle shape. This is a rectangular shape with corner rounded. So what we can do do here, we can just say to the card how shape you want for this. So we can like shape and add here a circular shape. Oops, and not this row, a circular shape. Circle shape foundation. Okay, and that's the one. So now we have a circular shape for this, and what we can do here is also pass some size for this card. So you have this modifier here. We can add the modifier dot size. Let's pass 220p, and this is really big, and there you are. You have a circle shape. Our text is here in the middle because you pass a padding here, so we put in one thing in front of another. And how you can center this text here, we can put this inside a box. So the box have a lot of properties, and one of them is to center things in the middle. So let's add a box here. We will go more deep in each one of these items later, but for now, let's just create a box here, and we can pass, like I told you before, the content alignment here, like this suggesting here, as a center. So let's just import this one, compose UI, center, and let's pass our text inside this box. So everything should be fine now. Let's see. Is here. Okay, and the size is not filling the whole size of our card, so is this the why you can see that the text is inside the box and his centered. This is the box and this is the text. So you just have to make the box to fill the whole thing. So you can pass here modifier and say that modifier fill max size like this. Okay. Import this extension, align, and this alignment center here is content alignment. Okay, I just forget this one. So now everything should be fine. Let's check, and yes, yes. So let me break this. So how we have a box that fill the max size that is available for us, and we make this alignment in the center. So everything is inside the box. You'll be aligned in the center. So if you put some order text here, tab here, for example, he'll do his best to make it in the center. You can see. And if you want to put one above or below the order, you will have to choose a column like we did before. But for now, we'll make this circle here, and we are going. I think you can create a simple web here when you keep taping here. You make some tabs here, and we can put some numbers here. So I think it's a good experience to you see how you can do this kind of thing, and for introducing you for some simple things like a card, like a box. So I think for now we are good. I see you in some seconds, I hope.